Okay, the previous video you saw the long gloves, but not everybody likes long gloves, so you want to shorten them. Can be anywhere. See the previous video. You can cut them here, 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 whatever you want. So I will show you how to do it. It's not easy. It's very easy. It's not difficult. So what you need: gloves, of course, tape, a pen, whatever pen, doesn't matter, rotary cutter. Don't take the small ones, just 45 millimeters like this, or 28, that's perfect, but not the 18 millimeter. And a ruler, and this is a special ruler. And as you can see, I'm always keeping my ruler in a protective, plastic sheet. How do you call it? I don't know. Why I keep it in here? Because this, of course, you always want this perfectly straight with no cuts in it. Same with this side. If you just throw it everywhere with this one or with scissors, it can damage the sides, and here can damage it. It's a good ruler, but even though I always kept safe in here. This special cutting ruler, it's from Bura Aristo. You can buy it anywhere. Of course, you can buy it at my shop, but you can also buy it at Amazon, eBay, whatever. And why is this a special ruler? Because I don't know if you can see it. It has a thick side and a small side. In here, as you can see, I hope, there is a steel strip inside. And why is there a steel strip? So you can go along with the rotary cutter, or even with a box cutter like this. You can also, so it protects the ruler. And because of the height of the ruler, you're not able to slip or under or above. Also not with your rotary cutter. It's a guidance, so you always, well, you have perfect 90 degrees angle. Never like this, or never like this, or like this. So you don't use this side. This side, with the numbers, you use to draw, or to draw lines, of course. If you do it like this, well, you can see this is thin and this is thin. This can go wrong. You can go up or you can go under. So always use the thick side with the steel bow. Okay, the ruler. So again, you need a ruler, rotary cutter, a pen, tape, cutting mat, small one is okay. And what you don't need is scissors. You never cut latex with scissors. Well, never. Okay, maybe really tiny stuff you can cut with the scissors. You know, they're really like small letters or smart circles or things like that. But for the glove, you see the length of the scissors is like this. The length of your glove is longer. Plus, the blades of a scissor, they go like this. And because they go like this, your latex can get stuck in between those blades. And this is the cut. So only this part is sharp, but you have to replace your scissors. So it's cut, open, replace, cut, open, replace. Well, you know how scissors work, but not handy for latex. That's why you just need a rotary cutter. You can go, well, if you want, 1 kilometer in one line without having it take it up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, I'll show you. I will turn the camera so you can see it up close. Okay, so you have your glove, your cutting mat. You place it on the mat. And of course, you made a mark with your pen where you want, which length you want it. Maybe you want it here, or here, or here, or here. So decide what you want. Then you can take a piece of tape and make sure that the glove, the side is straight. Well, that is, if you want it straight. Of course, you can cut it like this, of course, if you want it. You can cut it like this. Well, in this video, we're going to just make it simple, keep it simple. We'll do it like this. There are lines on a cutting mat. They're not like decoration, they really have a function. So in this case, you see this white line. I put the glove against the white line. That's my reference. Then take a piece of tape, also put it against the lines, like this. So you know it's not going to shift. Just to be sure, I will make another one here. As you can see, my tape is not really good tape, but it's just temporary, so that's no problem. Then you take a ruler, and of course, what I said on the thick side, you place it against your tape, like this. And then you cut from here to there. You don't do it like this, because that's strange. When you cut your bread, I never see people cut the bread like this. You're only going from here to there with box cutters. That's the only thing, the only kind of knife you pull. But with a rotary cutter, you're just going from here to there. 90 degree angle. Yes, there we are again with the English. Put your finger, your index finger, on the rotary cutter. The most of rotary cutters have some rubber here, or they have some structure, plastic, whatever. Also, not decoration, it has a function, so you can put your finger on it. You have more grip. So, in one movement, like this, just to make sure, keep your hand on the ruler. Yeah, I have a very sharp blade, because you need a sharp blade. But if your rotary cutter is a little bit blunt, and maybe there was a little thread here, then you can keep your hands on the ruler and then take it away. Well, that's it basically. Remove the tape, and there it is. Perfect cut. And here's the other one. In the next video, I will show you what you can do with this, because maybe it's fun to do something here. Another color, or, well, we do something else here. So see you in the next video. Bye. Toodaloo.